What's up, everyone? Bonus Event is here going over our Thursday, May 18th trade where we did Apple 175 calls. Made a nice 103% profit on these things. A little bit of a tough trade at the beginning, but we held to our plan, executed pretty perfectly. And so here's how we did it and the reasoning behind where we entered and where we exited. So looking at Apple pre-market, we see we have this little bit of a dip down, and then we see this ramping up here in the last 10 minutes before market opened. So my thought on this is, Apple's probably going to move up to around this 174.6-ish area, maybe hit 175, but we'll see. This is where we drew support and resistance, and so I'll just go over that now real quick. Why these areas. So we're looking at this green candle here. So as we can see, we have some support at 172.7-ish area. Also some support right here at 173. Right here around this 173.5, and then this big one here, 174.63. This would be a key resistance level that Apple would need to break through. And as you can see, during the day, it did break through that level, but initially it didn't. So we'll go back to this here. 5-minute chart. So as you can see above, we alerted the exact plan for this on our Discord before market open, so you can see exactly what we're doing. We said we're going to enter Apple 175 calls at market open. So we entered right here on this first green candle. It was initially profitable, but we rejected off this 173.5 area and fell down to this 172.6-ish. Now, this was still a support level, so we were looking for this to hold. And if it didn't hold, if it continued to break downwards, we would have ended up selling our position. So we did have some drawdown on this trade. I think the low here was like 20 cents, maybe 19 cents. So it's a little bit risky, but it was still within our risk tolerance that we were going to use for this trade. And it held the support area. And then after that, you can see we have this nice move up, breaks past first resistance of 173.5. Then, bounces off this area again and hits our target right here. We ended up selling on this candle right here, right when it hit 174.62, which is where we drew out our resistance. And then, as you can see, went a little higher and then rejected a little bit, and then ended up moving upwards to 175, rejecting that, and then end of the day around that area. So really solid trade. We made 103% profits. The exit that we sold on was 61 cents. So just over doubling your money, which is solid. And then we were done for the rest of the day. So that's the trade that we did. May 18th, Apple 175 calls. Again, all alerted live from our Discord. So you had plenty of time to get into this trade. Probably even at a better price than we did with this drawdown. So like, comment, subscribe. Follow us on Instagram and TikTok and Twitter, and we will catch you on the next video.